In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Alibaba and find the products that meet your needs. Whether you're a small business owner looking to source products or a consumer searching for a one-of-a-kind item, knowing how to efficiently use Alibaba can make a world of difference. So let's dive right in. Firstly, open your favorite web browser and go to Alibaba's official website. It's quite simple. Just type Alibaba into your search bar and it should be one of the top results. Click on that and voila, you're on the home page. Alibaba is a vast online marketplace, so you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the sheer volume of options. Worry not, I'm here to guide you through it. Next, you need to browse the platform. Now, this is where some of the fun begins. You can explore different categories, from electronics to fashion, and even niche products. A helpful tip here is to use the search bar if you know exactly what you're looking for. Type in keywords related to your product and let the search feature do the work for you. You'll notice that Alibaba provides filters such as price range, supplier location, and minimum order quantity that can help narrow down your search results. I recommend taking advantage of these filters to make your search more efficient. Once you've zeroed in on a product that catches your eye, click on it to dive into more details. This will bring up the products page where you can find additional information, including product specifications, pricing, and supplier details. Take your time to review these aspects carefully. It's important to ensure that the product meets your quality standards and follows any required regulations, especially if you're purchasing for business purposes. Now that you've done your due diligence, it's time to add the product to your cart. You'll find an Add to Cart button prominently displayed on the product page. With a simple click, you add the item to your virtual shopping basket. Alibaba also offers you the opportunity to contact suppliers directly if you have any questions or need to negotiate prices. So feel free to use that feature. And just like that, you're done. Navigating Alibaba is straightforward once you know how to make the most out of its search and filter features. Remember, it's always crucial to thoroughly check the product information and supplier credentials to ensure a smooth purchasing experience. Whether you're purchasing one product or thousands, these steps will help you efficiently use Alibaba to your advantage. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find the perfect products for your needs. Happy shopping on Alibaba.